morning. I'm going to proceed about the statement of Father Vicente. Sa dari na ta sa part nga katong kanang gisugo ni Dr. Jose Rizal o kanang pabasa tong kanang formula ni Father P. Din ni ana siya diri nga, di ba ana siya nga, Father, do not proceed. That style is different from mine. I cannot sign that because it should be understood that I am writing it myself. So, pag continue ni Father Vicente ang pagbasa niya. I brought out then the shorter and more concise formula of Father P. So, ang bali gipili ang sa pagbasa ni Father Vicente is gipili ra to niya katong pinaka-concise nga formula nga nasulat ni Father P. So, nadiri gibutang niya, I read the first paragraph, then gibasa niya ang pinakauna nga paragraph, and he said to me, that style is simple as mine. Don't bother, Father, to read it all. Dictate what I ought to profess and express, and I shall write, making in any case some remarks. Next. And thus it was done. As I suggested the idea, he proceeded to write with steady hand and clear letters. So, diri ni katong paghuman niya og basa sa formula, no, dirito na kanang nagpadayon og sulat si Rizal sa iyahang letter, making at times some observation or adding some praises. Certainly, after the discussion, Dr. Rizal was yielding to the impulse of grace. Since he had retired into himself and prayed as he promised, this he appeared to be while writing his retraction. So, matuno, nagsulat siya sa iyang retraction. He finished the writing, and does it remain? It was 11:30, so almost 11 na niya nahuman ang iyang pagsulat. So, it was dated on December 29. These declarations or retraction was signed together with Dr. Rizal by Senior Fresno, chief of the picket, as Senior Moore, adjutant of the plaza. After all this act, he knelt down of his own accord before the altar of the Virgin, placed in the chapel cell in the presence of the fathers. So, kano diri no kay katuning pag diri na nahitabo katong nahuman na niya sulat iyang letter, so niadto na siya sa simbahan para mangayo og permiso sa mga father. Then, of all that has been narrated, I am positive by personal knowledge. I have personally intervened and witnessed it myself, and I subscribe and confirm it with an oath. And lest, perhaps, someone may think that I could not remember it with so many details after 20 years. It testifies that on the very day of Rizal's death, I wrote a very detailed account of everything. The original of this account I have preserved, and from it I have taken all the data of the present narration. So, dili magud tuning ko magud nga ang dili sila motuo nga kanang nang nagsulat or nagretraction or naay retraction si sulat og retraction si Rizal. So, ang ilang giingon nila nga imposible kayo nga makahinumdum pa si ang father nga pila na katuig ang minglabay, nga almost 20 years na do ang minglabay. So, imposible lagi do kay nga mahinumduman pa niya every detail sa mga nahitabo atong mga panahona. So, iya yung gitestify nga kanang atong adlaw sa pagkamatay ni Rizal, nagsulat siya og kanang detailed kay nga account, tanan-tanan dito iya yung gisulat ang mga nahitabo atong time nga kuaning. The original of this account I have preserved, and from it I have taken all the data of the present narration. So, before Rizal reached Bagunbayan, I went to the Ateneo and delivered the aforementioned document to Father Payo P., who that very day brought it to the palace and handed it to the Archbishop Nozalida. Next. So, mutuno kanang gikuan niya kanang ana si Father Vicente nga before Rizal reached Bagunbayan daw, so wala pa na nakuan sa naabot nakaadto si Rizal kanang niadto si Father Vicente sa Ateneo, uya atong gi-deliver katong atong document ni Father Pio P. Dayon moto pag kanang sa statement ni Father Payo P, Actually, dito nga, Father Pio Peace was the Jesuit ano siya? Superior in the Philippines during the time when Rizal was executed. In 1917, he issues an affidavit recounting his involvement in the alleged retraction of Rizal. So, kini silang Father Vicente, silang Father Pio P, or si Father Peace, is sila ang mga kanang na, at murag sila ang kanang na-issue bitaw nga kanang kauban or involved sila sa pag kanang declare ni Rizal of retraction. So, unlike Father Balaguer, however, he was involved only on securing the retraction document from the Archbishop. Ang kangkuan, unlike do sa kang Balaguer daw, ang kuan lang ni Kuandre ni Father P is kanang ang iyarang gibuhat is iyarang gi-secure ang katong retraction document sa Archbishop. Bali katong retraction nga gisulat ni Rizal, iya to bali iyang gihatag guro to ni Father Balaguer. Then si Father Balaguer pod iya pong yang gikuan ni Father P mo na nga ang gibuhat pod ni Father P pod is iyarang gi-secure ang retraction document dito sa Archbishop sa Manila, sa Archbishop of Manila Bernardino Nozalida, and writing another shorter retraction document as well, which was the one Rizal allegedly copied. So the account on the eve of the day when Dr. Rizal was put in the chapel, that is on December the 28th, I received the commission which Archbishop Nozalida entrusted to the Jesuit fathers. For the spiritual care of the convict, we accept it most eagerly, not only because it came from the venerable prelate, but especially because of its object was to reconcile with God and with the Church, and to save the soul of him who had a very distinguished and dear pupil. Rizal had always preserved for us, the Jesuits, a special esteem and affections even after his estrangement from the Church, and had rendered us good service. Even though I myself, who had not been acquainted personally with Rizal, did not visit him, all the fathers who remained with him during his stay in that chapel or accompanied him to Bagumbayan, the place of the execution, when there are many requests or with my knowledge, and they kept me informed of all the happenings. In regard to conversion, all the beginning not a little difficulty was found in convincing and persuading him. A long discussion, to which we maintain, principally with Father Balaguer, became necessary in order to revive in that. So that's all the statement about Father Vicente Balaguer and Father P.O.P. statement, and the next statement will be going to discuss about on the next reporter. So that's all for today, and thank you.